think this is for us too. Oh yes, it is here. It is here. All right. Yep, thank you. Thank you, brother.
Instructions must REQ, front door, leave package if no one answer door.
There you go.
Thank you, brother.
Have a good day.
You have a blessed one. Thank you. What it do, YouTube? This your boy Richie Richmo, back at it again with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We are growing every single day. Today is a beautiful day. Today we have just received the package, the RSX first. Well, this is not the first, but this is the RSX second modification, and we've actually got it, and we're working on performance. I'm super excited to let you guys know that the build is here. I want you guys to get real pumped and really excited because this is about to be the most insane build I ever done in my life on my YouTube platform. It's going to be all performance and looks at the same time, and I promise you, out of all the babies, the ugly duckling is going to be the best. And I'm super excited. We just received our new modification. We have the engine technology. We have engine technology intake, short ram intake for the car, and we have another delivery coming in today, but I will vlog that one for the next video. So this one came first, so we're gonna work on this one first. We're gonna get the intake installed on this video. Next video will be the wing that's supposed to be coming in today. So this is going to be a busy day, and we got 2 modifications down. We got a few more to go. So the next modification we need to be looking out for is the carbon fiber hood. We need our exhaust. So right now I've been in communication with them for the exhaust. Man, shout out to Redline 360. Been working with them for a minute. They sent me this intake, fast delivery. Also, all right, y'all. So we got the intake right there. First thing first, we gotta do is open the door. I have the key in my pocket. Battery is dead, which doesn't help or nothing. So I gotta get a new battery, probably tomorrow or Friday for sure. Let's open the hood. Let's open the hood, man. There we go. So this is under the hood. This is the K20 motor. Freaking amazing. I love the K20 motor. What I'm gonna do too, because we are definitely about to do some extra stuff, we're gonna be getting hitters and everything like that. So with that being said, this whole engine bay is going to be re-cleaned, especially when I go single turbocharge. I'm definitely going to have this whole engine bay looking cleaner. And the reason why it looks like this is like rusted and stuff is because this car came from Virginia. They have snow and rain and stuff like that. So this car was manufactured but delivered to Virginia, where the original owner was at. So yeah, so that's why it's like rusted and stuff. But what I'm going to do, like I said, we're going to start working on the motor, get everything done. So what I'm going to do is redo this whole engine bay and just make it more nicer and prettier. And that's the goal, man, just to make everything just look better, replace bolts, replace wirings. It's a whole project build, but the good thing is, besides the looks, it runs perfect. There's no problems really with it besides the AC line, but real race cars don't need AC. But I need it out here in California. But anyways, so yeah, this is how it's looking right here. It's looking real good. So the main thing we're gonna do is get rid of this big rust box. I hate how this looks. Let's see how this intake looked. Let me see. Yes, sir. I love engine technology. I always ordered Engine Technology's product. Their product is always good, always good. Yeah, I love Engine Technology. Their parts are super legit good. Like, I love their intakes. Their intakes always come out good. I never had a bad response with it. I always use Engine Technology for most of my Honda builds, like my hatchback that you guys know me of. I use it for the hatchback. I used it for the 350Z. And now we're going to use it for the RSX. This RSX is definitely about to be a race car, track car. Definitely going to be building this up. Like I said, stay tuned. We got a lot of modification parts coming for this car that's going to actually make this car fast as fuck and still look good. We got a time attack, we got an aero kit, we got everything coming. Most of the stuff is already ordered. Wheels are coming, carbon fiber hood is coming. The wing supposed to be here today. So like I said, this is going to be 2 videos, but this video you guys are going to watch right now is going to be me installing the intake. So let's get this situated. So I gotta take this piece off, because for me to get to the screw down here, I gotta take this off because this is blocking. So I gotta take this off, and then we're gonna do the next part. Alright, so we take this little frame off, this little piece. That actually do something like it. So I'm gonna put this to the side. Alright, so now the part we gotta get into is right there. So this part, this is the sensor. Okay, and then this comes off like easy. So that's connected to that. I need to get my pliers. Oh, got the intake out, the old intake. Was kind of pissed off because this part, this little black part you see right there, I had crazy glue. Thank God I had some crazy glue. I bought some gel crazy glue, not the runny one. You can see right there that black piece that was connected to the hose. The old hose right here was connected, but for some reason, since this is rusted, it would not come off on the end. So I ended up pulling it and I ripped it out of the socket. So I basically have to Gorilla Glue it back in place. So now it's sturdy. So I'm just letting that sit there to dry. So just trying to think of some ideas, and I finally thought of it. So I was like, "Whew, this is perfect. This will save me some time." So I'm letting that happen. As you guys can see, the engine bay is real dirty, and basically it's just rusted. So a lot of stuff gonna have to be done. I'm gonna actually re-clean everything. I'm about to end up getting new headers. So it's gonna be a lot of stuff re-replaced. I'm gonna end up cleaning this. The whole car is gonna get made over, but for the time being, I'm just gonna focus on getting this intake ready because I only got the daytime on my side for right now, so I gotta knock this out real quick. So I'm not gonna be able to do like a real showing you guys how I'm installing it and stuff because I'm just doing it by myself, and since stuff is rusty, it's giving me a little harder time. So I'm just trying to knock this shit out before the sun sets. So let me get this taken care of and we go from there. Now we just got the intake on. Listen to the sound of this. This shit sounds so crazy. It sounds like a turbo. One more time. So there we go. You can leave the car on. We finally finished the RSX. I'm super excited. I'm always super excited. That's my favorite word I'm noticing. I'm saying every time I record myself. But anyways, the RSX came out good. I'm happy that everything worked out perfectly. Not always perfectly. It was a few situations. One of the hoses ripped. Then on top of that, one of the hoses that was connected to the throttle body, that piece broke off. So I had to Gorilla Glue it. Yeah, so it was a little hassle. It took longer than expected, but we finished it. So I'm happy. And Jerry came through. But basically, time he came through, it was already too late. I already kind of like got everything figured out. My wing was supposed to be here, but the wing is coming tomorrow, so that's even better. So yeah, so I'm excited, man. We on the right track. I love how the exhaust sound on this engine technology, because when I rev it, it sounds like it's a turbo on my car. I don't know what it is, but it sounds like a turbo. And that's why I got the short ram. I love what short ram is, because the longer cold air intakes are dope looking, but to me the cold air intake is just better because it's much closer to the driver, and you get to hear more how that intake is moving. And I do like engine technology because their intakes are tuned already. So but yeah, so we are about to get this car modified, fixed up. Tomorrow the wing is coming, so stay tuned for that video. And the goal for me, honestly, the overall goal for me is to get this car to at least 700 to 800 horsepower. And once I reach that, I'm happy, you know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, this is my mainly daily driver car, but still got to look good, and we still got to be fast. So thank you guys so much for watching and supporting this channel. I do appreciate every one of you guys that take the time out to come watch my videos. You know, I'm just trying to do the best I can, but just be myself at the same time, and I'm super excited. Like, I'm so happy. We got so much modification. So we already got one thing down. We got the intake. So now we got to wait for the wing that comes tomorrow. Then I just got email from Fitment Industry that the wheels will be coming within 6 weeks. So they said they're gonna keep me updated. May come sooner, may come exactly at 6 weeks. Then we have the exhaust. Finally decided on what exhaust to get. I ordered through Redline 360. I love their service. Super cool people over there. We basically it was a hurdle with the exhaust. The first exhaust I wanted, they said I paid for it, but then they ended up letting me know they didn't have it in stock. They wouldn't have it in stock until mid-August. I didn't want to wait that long, so they recommended me 2 other ones that wasn't, but it was for the Type S. I don't have a Type S, I have the base model. Then we finally decided on one, which was the worst one, was called the DNA exhaust. That exhaust is horrible. It sounds horrible, and I seen the reviews was trash. So I settled for that, and then come to find out, they let me know today that they can't send it out. So it's been a 2-day dilemma. They said they can't send it to California. So one of the exhausts that I really wanted to get was available, so they gave it to me, and I got it in titanium blue, the tip. So just stay tuned for this build. This build is about to get crazy, and it's already coming. And on top of that, we still got the carbon fiber hood coming too as well, and this is the most epic carbon fiber hood you're gonna see on the RSX. So make sure you guys continue to show me support. Please share my videos. Please just let the videos run. Don't skip them ads. I'll see you guys on the next one, man. Tomorrow We got the wing coming in. See ya.